Hey there! Today I want to take you to the inner world of die grinders and angle grinders to see how they're built differently. Here we have our two stars, an angle grinder and a die grinder. Both of these tools use electric motors to spin their attachments at high speeds, but they have some key differences. Let us explore. First up is the angle grinder. It has a gearbox right here. It transfers power from the motor to the disc and changes the rotation direction by 90 degrees. This clever setup allows the disc to be positioned at a right angle to the motor shaft. Now let's switch to the die grinder. Unlike the angle grinder, this one does not have a gearbox. Instead, it uses a direct power transfer from the motor to the spindle. To handle the high-speed rotation, it relies on high-speed bearings that keep everything running smoothly. Now let's check out the attachment holders on these two. The die grinder uses a collet to hold its attachment, making it perfect for precision work. On the other hand, the angle grinder has a threaded spindle to secure its disc, ideal for more heavy-duty tasks. So while both grinders spin fast and get the job done, their structures and operation methods make them unique tools for different kinds of projects. Happy grinding! See you guys later. Take care.